Hey guys, Anthony Haynes, Scott Motor Coach here, Toms River, New Jersey. We're going to go over this RPOD 202 2021. Pretty excited about this model. We just got it in yesterday. This will not last long. But while it's here, I figured I'll go over it and we'll go over some of the quick pointers on it. Huge thing right on over here on to the right, your battery disconnect. When not in use, you can actually turn that off, save your battery so you're not wasting any juice. Electric tongue, so you're not cranking it off the back of your SUV or pickup truck, which is nice. Why you even bother doing that? We're going to have a fiberglass construction with Azdale. You actually have Azdale on both sides, so it's fiberglass, Azdale, block foam insulation, Azdale again, and then your interior board. Beautiful pass-through storage, and if you can sneak up in there, you'll see it's all double welded aluminum, which is really nice. Huge awning, all LED lit with, of course, your outdoor speakers. You're also going to have outdoor electric, so if you want to hook up that blender or whatever it may be, pretty cool. Underneath that electric, you're going to have your quick LP gas line disconnect, so you can hook up the big boy grill. Flip those burgers, the whole 9 yards. Little outdoor fridge, adult juice box, kids juice box, whatever it may be. A little spray port here too, so you can spray off whatever it may be, the kids' feeds, the dog, who knows. What's really nice about this RPOD is the double axles. So this is one of the first models that they make with the 2 axles, which is pretty nice at using this size. It's going to be nice and easy to travel with and tow with. Of course, your hot water tank. All of our units come with a spare tire, which is going to be huge. Pre-wire for a backup camera, and then of course a little ladder to get up and check out that fiberglass roof. On top of that roof, you do have a 110 wattage flexible solar panel, so that's going to keep your lights, batteries, everything charged, except for the only thing you're not going to be able to use is going to be your AC and your microwave, but you'll be plugged in for that. No big deal. Of course, solid steps. It's going to be huge. Little grab bar here too. Very nice. Let's jump inside. Let's check out the inside. So now that we're on the inside, you're going to have a rear kitchen, beautiful fridge, 6 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer, little drop bowl sink, which is nice, 2-burner stove top, convection microwave oven. You can actually cook a little chicken in there. Storage up top. On your slide, you're going to have your dinette slide. Storage under both seats here too, which is really nice. As soon as you're walking over here, you're going to have some little pantry space, which is nice. Of course, your entertainment center. This unit has a electric heater, aka fireplace, so you don't have to waste your propane on those chilly evenings or days. A little bit more hanging storage. I mean, there's not much this camper doesn't have. Extra storage in there. What's really nice too, as you walk through, you're going to see you have the pass-through bathroom. Nice big shower surround. On the other side, you'll end up having your sink, your medicine cabinet, more storage for toilet paper, whatever it may be. On the bottom there is going to be your central vac system with the little kick plate, so you can actually sweep up some dirt or whatever it may be. Then up front, you'll have your beautiful master bedroom. Queen bed, storage on both sides, spot for a TV. This unit's going to have all LED lights, which is really nice. Little pocket doors too, separate the rooms. Not much that this unit doesn't have. Like I said, this is their 202. It's a new model to this year. It will be a big seller. Do yourselves a favor, give us a call. Anthony Haynes, Scott Motor Coach, 732-370-1022. Again, Anthony Haynes, Scott Motor Coach. Talk to you soon.